What's going on, people? We are Tottenham TV, back here for a brand new segment for you guys.
Let's do it. I'm ready. I want to get involved. I want to start selling players, buying players. I'm not even that excited to play. I just want to do everything surrounding it. I want to revamp the squad. We want to get the rebuild we deserve.
Exactly.
What's our name going to be? First name? Maurizio Pochettino. Ben Simeone, I like it.
I like that.
I like it.
All right, Ben Simeone.
Ben Simeone, I like that.
This is the expectation.
I know, board expectation, I'm saying.
Brand exposure critical.
Of course it is. Of course it fucking is. Number one.
Financial medium, youth player development high.
Transfer budget 90 million, that's all right.
I'll take that. Yeah. I think Dane Scarlett should be a loan.
He needs a loan. Should we put him on loan?
Add to loans.
Where's that? Okay.
Or should we play him in the Cups and the Conference League?
No. We're signing a backup striker. We're not doing a Levy. We're not falling into the same trap, for God's sake. Oh, my God.
To be honest, they could all go on loan, these players.
Yeah, should put them all on loan. Fuck it. Piscozzi. Just get him on loan.
Get Devine on loan, 16-year-old man.
Doherty, I'm selling Doherty. I don't want him in. I don't want him in either team anymore.
All right, add to transfer list.
Transfer list. I'm getting rid of him.
Winks.
Where is he? Here he is.
Transfer list that.
We're getting okay. Sanchez or Dyer. Who are we getting rid of? We will both.
Let's see what kind of centre backs we can bring in first.
Because Roden is 72. Here we are. Hi, bot.
Oh, here comes Harry.
Here
comes Harry Winks. Let's reply to Winksy.
It's the best thing for you, mate. A bit surprised you're looking to move me on, but I can't say I'm happy about it. Can't guarantee you games.
Yeah.
Doherty, I'm looking at options, mate.
No, tell him you can't guarantee him games either.
Can't guarantee you games.
Season start.
Hello, what's this? Winks transfer offer.
Oh, here we go.
From Lille. 12 million.
Press on it. And press negotiate.
Are we
negotiate that? I want to.
Oh, hello. We are at the table. All right, let's leave you.
How much we want? What's our figure?
I didn't even see what he was worth.
He's worth 11.
Oh, so a bit over.
Yeah.
Probably should have accepted it. We want him. Should we go for a swap for Renato Sanchez?
Let's see what he's like.
Oh.
28 million.
Are you going to let us do it? Oh fuck. We literally did a Levy. Oh man, what have we done? Oh dear. Come back! No! We should have accepted it.
No, you can't sell Winks.
Oh, what have we done? Well, we fucked that. Oh, maybe we're too harsh on Levy. we don't realise how hard it is. Alright, well, hopefully someone else comes in for him.
Alright, let's keep going.
Okay.
Lacroix.
Who's it? Chiesa you wanted? Chiesa.
Wow, he's worth 69.5 million.
He's already been scouted.
Yeah. It's a bit too expensive for us.
And Lacroix.
Release clause 54 million.
Interesting. Should we do a Levy loan with an option to buy? Or should we delegate?
No.
Approach to buy.
Alright, let's approach. Alright, here we go.
We're going in for.
Alright, what's the first? What's the number? What number are we starting off, lads? I want to know what people in the chat say. What number are we starting off with?
Yeah, I think that's right. 19.
Well, who says 19 million? 29, 20.
I think 19 million is a nice one to go for.
19 and 60 grand. Let's do it. Oh, we won 14. What? 14? Oh, what? Oh, no, on Dele Alli.
Oh,
14 plus Dele Alli. Are we accepting that? Are we accepting that, people?
Now, Delhi's worth 23. Go on. Oh, Delhi's on the table.
4.5 million plus Delhi. They want 11.5. 11.5 plus Delhi. Plus a 15% sell-on clause.
Everyone's saying don't do it.
Don't do it. Hey, 8.5 million. There we go. Santush with the win.
Come on.
Big up,
First
Santush.
signing of the Ben Simeone area is up and running. We want
390 grand for the signing bonus.
Accept it. Come on. Get this over the line.
All right. Should we...
First signing of the new area up
Come
and
on.
running. Come on.
Dusan and Dusan Vlahovic. Da la 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 la.
Scores a goal for me.
All right, and see you later, Delhi. What if Delhi rejects Fiorentina?
Oh, I don't know.
Then we're screwed.
Noni.
Noni Madueke. Oh, look at that. Ball control, agility, dribbling. 19 million.
Let's bid 15.
Should we test the waters?
Yeah.
15?
Yeah.
Bit high, do you think? He's how much worth? 19.
14, go on.
14 and a half. See what
Is that the actual PSV manager?
I feel like you've wasted my time here, bloody hell.
Can't sign him.
What?
Oh, bloody hell, walking away.
He's gone.
They're walking away.
It's only 5 million under his valuation.
They said we were taking the piss. Is that it? We can't approach to buy him again.
No. Till next window.
Till next window.
Yeah.
We don't have like a cooling off period, like a week or something. Fuck's sake. Transfer offer. Now we're talking. How much? 3.5 million.
Stopped him.
It's a swap. For Mats Ritz.
This guy. I don't want this guy. Do we? Who the hell's this? Mats Ritz. Nah.
Forget this.
No, but we want to get rid, so maybe
Yeah,
just...
Club Brugge not going to offer us what we want, are they?
What did we say? 15 last time. And then propose remove exchange player. Let's see what they say. Oh,
There you go.
there we go. Come on, Lord, let's not go too far.
He better accept them.
You're going to Bruges, mate. Off to Bruges, in Bruges with you. Come on. Winks, please just accept. It's better for everyone. You want to leave, just go. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Offer 35.
$42.
Offer 39. Just give them 42. Like, how
Should we
many
get
times?
Pedri?
How many times are we gonna bust in for Levy for not offering those few million?
Yeah, so
And
true.
we're gonna
I'm
do
waiting
this.
here
It's
like...
offer 42. Come on, this is Pedri.
We're doing it?
Yeah.
Then what else do we need? A centre-back.
I think we.
I'm also getting 11 million for Winks. That's
Yeah,
going to be added.
If. Alright, accept it, man.
All right, we're going for it. Pedri. Pedri's coming home, people. All right, Madueke.
Come
Let's
home,
try
Nonny.
this again.
Come home, Nonny.
Let's try this again, Nonny. Take two.
Bloody hell, we've been streaming for an hour and a half already.
Look, you're all enjoying this, right?
Of course they are.
I'm having a good time.
YP Toretto, you guys not interested in Bonucci or Chiellini? We can get them for about 12 million.
All right, so 19 million?
Mm-hmm.
19 and a half for a sweetener? What he's worth?
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. You're definitely going to move upwards on that. How about 23.2 and 20%?
I'd accept that.
Yeah? And we're getting 90 in.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. So let's give him...
Give him 10.
10
20,
grand.
20.
No, let's double it. 18.
Okay.
Plus a signing bonus of
20k.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's gone. He's left.
They're walking out.
Why can't you just tell us how much you want?
How much? No, don't go, Nonny. Santosh is going to be absolutely fuming. Sorry, Santosh. This is the second time we've screwed up the Nonny deal. Oh my god, what have we done? Is that it? Can we not get him now?
I don't know.
Can we wait a week again?
I'm not sure.
Oh, Nonny, why can't we get this deal over the line? Oh, for God's sake.
Ridiculous.
That wasn't that dumb. We doubled your wage. That wasn't not that derisory.
What do you think about Chiellini or Bonucci?
What about him?
Apparently you can get them for quite cheap.
Yeah, what should we get Bonucci? I think it's now's time to do our tactics. Oh, we're down. No, we're not. We're all good. Oh, when the Spurs go marching in, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the Spurs go marching in. Oh, when the Spurs. Alright, let's do this. You're going to get smashed on Legendary, someone says.
The hardest.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's all about communication. It's all about communication.
You need to play it slow.
Slow.
Slow, possession.
But we need to hit them on the counter. It's the only way.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it, boys.
Come
Number one, Hugo Lloris. Hey.
Come
on.
on, you Spurs. Come on.
Come on, Kane.
People are saying they wouldn't even dare play City on Legendary. Here we are. First game of FIFA. Let's go.
Someone said even world class is hard. Away, away, away. Oh. Taking already? Fucking hell. Alright, look, difficult first day. Difficult first day. I think you can take the positives.
Oh.
Yeah, 35.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Maybe we'll let in less against Wolves. Bonucci, Romero. Doku. Should we give Doku a debut?
Keep Doku on the bench, impact sub, but maybe take out Pedri or someone centre mid. Maybe play Ndombele centre mid or Lo Celso centre mid.
Lo Celso as CM. Not like that, and Ndombele there.
Yeah.
Or something.
It is still on Legendary.
We're keeping it for look. We're going to see how this game goes. It was Man City. That's it. Come on, close him. That's it.
No!
Off the line. Bloody hell. Offside. Oh,
What? Why does that keep happening?
keep fouling off the ball. Oh, that's stupid. It's not a penalty. Oh, I went early. That's a great penalty. What can I do about that? That will... Right there.
Well, Wolves have completely bossed the game in the last 15 minutes.
Big chance here. And the goal is in. They lead by 2 now. Fully deserved.
Well, let's see this again.
And Moutinho with it. It's there for him.
tactics didn't quite work.
Say that.
At least you tried something. No, you can't blame us for trying.
It's Son's ball into the middle.
Shoot, yeah, go! Oh!
To a high degree of difficulty. Not
46 million. 63. What do you say to that, Wolves? $50.8.
Pierre is not for sale.
Alright, no. Let's say to that. Huh?
They're gonna run away.
They're going to run away?
Why?
Winks plus 16 million. Let's see what they say. 23 million plus Winks. That's all our budget, though.
That's pretty good.
Go for it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
All right. Here we go. Last match before the
Last
international
match.
break, people.
Last match, and we'll continue this tomorrow.
Yeah, I think maybe we'll replace Good Morning Tottenham with FIFA sessions tomorrow.
I think so. Looks like it. People enjoying it. That's it. Lacroix having a great game. Ah,
superb block.
yes, yours. Well done.
Scoring
Shit.
action from the
Shit.
Premier League coming your way here on EA TV. It's Tottenham Hotspur facing Crystal Palace. Will do it. I'm really
No!
Oh!
points to the spot.
Keep giving away penalties. Who gave? Oh, Lacroix.
Players out there, Stuart.
Well, he's made a genuine attempt.
Emerson got it. Oh, Lacroix off the ball again. That's 3 penalties off the ball you've given.
Time for a change then.
Yes! Come on.
Hugo! Hugo!
Come on.
The luck is changing.
Come on. First win.
Get our first win of the season. Come on.
Ndombele. They've chosen to go through Harry Kane.
No.
Oh, I passed it. I passed it. I literally pressed pass. Ages ago. Must have not pressed it hard enough.
Textbook interception. Can they get in behind them?
Nice. Nice.
Fucking hell.
And a corner. Well, not the best
Go on.
clearance.
Hold it up. On your right.
Hurt it for now.
Oh, gone.
Oh!
Shoot! Skip!
Yeah! Ollie Skip, my son! Come on! Come on, Ollie Skip! Sealing the win! Come on! First win of the season! That's what I'm talking about! That's what I'm talking about, people! Come on! Ollie Skip, you beauty! Oh, beautiful. Falling to Skippy. Look at that. Oh, the table doesn't look so bad now. We are staying up, so we are staying up. All right, people.
And this stream finishes on a positive note, a happy note. We'll be back tomorrow morning.